it's Halves, Nate Vlog here. Good morning. So check this out. What do we got here? Oh, grilled chimichurri chicken thigh skewers from Trader Joe's. Yeah, another Trader Joe's product. Here we go. Product of Canada, really. Chimichurri. Does that make sense? Isn't that from Argentina, right? Isn't this Argentina food? Argentinian? Argentina, whatever. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, wow. When I saw this, I was like, whoa, I gotta have this. This looks pretty tasty. So anyways, you can grill it. You can put in the oven, which we're gonna do. And microwave, which definitely we're not gonna ruin this in the microwave. No, absolutely not. So anyways, 400 degrees. Let's get it to the kitchen. Chimichurri, vámonos. So there we go, that's what it looks like. Look at that, ready to heat and serve. So they're already cooked, just need to warm them up. Yep, fully cooked, keep frozen. All right, let's get this open. I'm starving here. Oh, another package. Of course, we have our aluminum foil on there, so these don't get stuck on there. Hella frozen. Look at that. Break them apart yet? Oh! Ooh. Oh, this is gonna be a big breakfast. So it comes with 6 sticks. All right, let's get it. And you go for 12 minutes. Let's do this. Set the timer. 12 minutes. All right. We will be back. Ooh, that looks so good. Come on now. Ooh, look at that. Hot. Okay, let's put them over here. See how they don't stick? See that? That's why we put the aluminum foil there. Now you understand. So does this look like that? You know what? Actually does. Alright. Actually look alike. Okay. Ooh, that looks so good. Wow. Here we go. It's chimichurri time. Smells pretty good too. I have high hopes for this. I mean, look at that. I love meat on skewers. I don't know, it just looks so appetizing. For me at least. Alright, here we go. Cheers. I think they need more time. Ooh, has a little kick to it at the end, a little spiciness. What the hell? 12 minutes, right? Yeah, 12 minutes. I don't get it. This needs more time. This really? What the hell? That's in the oven too. Okay, in the microwave it goes. I know we're putting it in here, but 2 minutes. 2 minutes sound good? Waiting again. This is ridiculous. Crisp up now. Okay, now is everything okay here? Gosh. Round 2. Let's try this out now. Jeez. And when I said it needs to be crisped up more, when I first took those 2 bites, it tastes kind of like soggy. I don't just like it needs to be grilled up more, you know, crisp up, browning. So hopefully that worked in the microwave, huh? And I still don't understand why I follow directions. This time it's undercooked. All the other times it's overcooked. Alright, cheers. Yeah, it's hot now. There we go. But still, I mean, as you can see in this advertisement here, see how it's like brown? Yeah, browning, crispiness. Well, that's what this needs. Got a napkin here. Wash it down with the pineapple juice every single morning to help the cholesterol, as you know. Yeah. So I do see why it says grill. Grilling would be a great option for this. Yeah. What, on the barbecue or on the stove grill? Juicy. Oh yeah, hot. There we go. now that it's all heated up, now we can talk about the flavoring here. Very tasty. Ah. Oh, Argentina. I want to see like what are the spices that they use on here? Cilantro, lime, or lemon, something like that. I taste that. But what else? Olive oil, garlic, red bell pepper, paprika. Yeah. Make a nice chimichurri marinade. Well, let's go ahead and give my review. I'm a little disappointed, to be honest. I mean, I have to say it's not bad, but the texture of it sure looks good though. Look at that. Ooh. So I gotta say, pretty much to sum it up, the texture of this needs to crisp up, and other than that, I think it's pretty good flavoring. So with that being said, I'll probably give it a 5.5 out of 10. Yeah. Sorry. That's just how I feel, you know. But it is frozen food. You gotta remember, this is frozen food. I guess I'm just a harsh critic, huh? Nate Vlog Reviews, you gotta. Cheers feeling though. Getting full here. Trader Joe's. Tons of content to be filmed there. Chug this down. Oh yeah. Oh, two left. You want some? Here. Look at that. I should probably like that because they were frozen, you know? And they're like watery. Yeah. Longer in the oven might have helped that. Become more firmer. Last one. Wow. Super filling. This is definitely a full-on meal here. Ah, damn it, I'm out. Thirsty. Definitely be able to take my vitamins after this. Yeah, something solid in my stomach for sure. Alright, last bite. There we go. We're done. That's enough. Oh. Hopefully no stomach problems after this. So, if you do plan on getting this, I guess I highly recommend putting it on the grill. Or if you do in the oven, a lot longer. Who knows how much longer, but yeah, more time. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy that. Oh god, my stomach now. Oh, stomach problems. Oh, chimichurris. Oh, estoy enfermo. Sí. Ay. Well, gonna go ahead and use the bathroom. So we'll see you. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit up the PayPal. Oh, is that Venmo right there? Sure is. Yeah. Description down below if you want to support Nate Vlog and the legendary reviews. Alright, we've been doing a lot of Trader Joe's here. Trader Joe's, huh? Yeah. Almost $8 for this. Jesus. Damn. Crazy, huh? Alright. Bye-bye. That looks better. Where's this at? Look at that. See that brown? See all that? That's what we need. Bye-bye.